Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to connect Android Auto to your car. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now Connections. Tap Add Device and now on your smartphone with Android Auto, enter Bluetooth settings, pair new device and select My Nissan or My Car. Confirm pairing on the smartphone, allow and start. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.